Jellyfish are some of the most fascinating creatures in the ocean. They look like living water balloons floating gracefully with the currents, yet they can be some of the most dangerous animals on the planet. With no brain, no heart, and no bones, jellyfish have been around for over 500 million years, making them one of the oldest living creatures on Earth. Despite their simple structure, they have managed to survive and thrive in almost every ocean, from shallow coastal waters to the deep sea. One of the most mesmerizing things about jellyfish is how they move. Unlike fish, they don't swim with fins or tails. Instead, they pulse their bell-like bodies, pushing water around them to drift effortlessly. Some species even glow in the dark, creating a magical light show in the deep sea. This bioluminescence is not just for beauty. It helps them scare off predators and attract prey. Speaking of prey, jellyfish are expert hunters, even though they don't look like it. Their long, flowing tentacles are covered in tiny, stinging cells called nematocysts. When a fish or small sea creature brushes against them, these cells release venom, paralyzing the prey almost instantly. Then, the jellyfish pulls it toward its mouth, which is often right in the center of its bell. Some species, like the box jellyfish, have venom so powerful it can be deadly to humans. Despite their stinging reputation, not all jellyfish are dangerous. Many species are harmless to humans and are even considered a delicacy in some parts of the world. In countries like China and Japan, jellyfish are dried and used in salads, soups, and snacks. They have a crunchy texture and absorb the flavors of whatever they're cooked with, making them a unique addition to seafood dishes. Jellyfish are also important to marine ecosystems. They serve as food for many sea creatures, including sea turtles, sunfish, and even some seabirds. At the same time, jellyfish populations are booming in certain areas due to climate change and overfishing. Since they reproduce quickly and don't have many natural predators, they can sometimes take over entire ecosystems, disrupting the balance of marine life. One of the coolest facts about jellyfish is that some of them might be immortal. The Toratopsis dohrnii, also known as the immortal jellyfish, has the ability to revert its cells back to a younger state and start its life cycle all over again. This means it can technically live forever unless it gets eaten by a predator. Scientists are studying this species to understand how it regenerates, hoping it might unlock secrets about aging in humans. Despite their simplicity, jellyfish are full of surprises. They may not have a brain, but they can sense their surroundings, avoid obstacles, and respond to light. They may seem gentle, but their sting can be deadly. They may drift aimlessly, but they have survived for millions of years, proving that sometimes going with the flow is the best way to survive.